Hola, buenos dias. We'll make this video quick. We're looking at the verbs ser and ir in the preterite in Spanish. So ser means to be and ir means to go. And in the preterite, this is the past tense. So we're going to talk about with ser, how things were, it was or I was. And then with ir, we're going to talk about where people went. So you'll notice right away that the verbs ser and ir have the exact same conjugations in the preterite, which makes it easy to remember them. If you know one of them, you know the other one. You'll also notice that there aren't any accent marks on any of the conjugations of this verb, which also is nice. So let's go through the pronunciation. We'll just do ser over here on the left because ir is pronounced exactly the same. So here we go. Repeat after me. Fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, fuisteis, fueron. And just a little tip for you guys with the vosotros, if you are required to learn this in school, in the preterite, for all verbs, whether they're regular, irregular, AR, ER, IR verbs, doesn't matter which one, if you add IS to the end of the to form, you will always get the vosotros form. So if you have to ask yourself, what is the vosotros form, just add is to the to form and you have it. So if you want to practice this really quick, I have an activity with 5 sentences, 5 blanks. You just got to plug in the correct conjugation of ser or ir. If you want to jot down some notes really quick, go ahead because you won't be able to see these once I scroll down. So pause the video and write them down if you need them. Otherwise, here we go. All right, so take a second and maybe jot down some answers, and then I'll tell you what the answers are in just 3 seconds. Okay, bueno, número 1, ella fue a la iglesia. She went to the church. 2, la comida fue mala. The food was bad. 3, nosotros fuimos a México. We went to Mexico. 4, yo fui a tu casa. I went to your house. Y por fin, lastly, el edificio fue destruido. The building was destroyed. That's pretty much it for ser and ir in the preterite. If you have questions, let me know. The document on the screen is available to you in the description of the video, so take a look if you need to download it or save it or copy it or whatever. Have a nice day. Hasta luego.